Come, little children, come to me. We will have another story.
Yeah.
Are you excited for today's story?
Yes.
How much?
So much.
You know which story I am going to read for you today?
No.
Help your mother.
Wow.
Do you people help your mother?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
You help your mother in?
Like I help her in the shopping list, and I also sometimes cook with her. And I make tea Saturday and also help her when she's sick. Me too.
Good job, girls. Okay, now today we will read the story about Help Your Mother.
Okay.
Alyan and Sola were playing in the front yard. Suddenly, a rickshaw stopped in front of their home. Wow, rickshaw! Mom is home! Mom is home! Exclaimed Alyan and Sola. Quickly they ran out of the yard. Wow! Have you been on rickshaw?
Yes, I think so. Me too.
It was fun, remember?
Yeah, we went on the rickshaw and we sat at the back.
Yeah.
It was so much fun. I could see everything.
Look, this small naughty kitty.
Yeah.
She's excited too when.
It's Susan.
Yeah, Susan is excited. Mother was trying to step out of the rickshaw while carrying all of the shopping bags. A lot of shopping bags.
Yes.
Wow, you have shopped a lot, Mom, said Solia. Let's help Mom, said Alyan. So both of them were trying to help their mother. Wow, and mother brought a lot of vegetables.
Yeah.
Look,
Vegetables. I cooked for you.
and your favorite carrots.
Yes. I'm a little bunny who likes carrots. And also bunny likes.
Yeah, everybody's excited.
And also Susan really cat.
Maybe there is something for Susan too.
Yeah, it could be the fish.
Wow.
Asking to help me.
Mom, may I carry the vegetable bag? Thank you, Salia. You are such a good girl, said mother. Wow, look at her expressions. It's quite heavy for her.
Yes, but she's trying.
Yes, she is trying her best and she did it because the bag is full of vegetables and somebody speaking.
It's a bunny.
Yeah, that cute little bunny is speaking for the carrots, I think so.
Yes, she is. She loves carrots, so I think she wants to eat all of the carrots.
Mom, may I carry the bag too? Of course, Alyan, said mother smilingly. Here, you may carry the snack for me.
They bought some snacks.
What could be inside?
Burgers, fries, and dip bags. And burgers.
A lot of snacks. Because of the children's help, mother could now carry the rest of the bags easily. Inside the house, mother gave Alyan and Solia some treats. Yum, yum. Look, everybody is helping. Solia is carrying a heavy bag. Alyan is carrying a
Handbag. And sometimes I also have the handbag when I is broken.
wow, and the naughty kitty is holding.
The handbag.
Wow. Alyan and Salia like to help their mother. What is Salia doing?
She's washing the tomatoes.
It's always good to wash the fruits and vegetables when you brought them.
And Alia is placing the eggs in the egg list.
Yeah, And what is Susan doing?
Susan is looking at
She is not at all naughty. Salia always help her mother to cook in the kitchen. Because of her help, mother can finish cooking quickly and easily. Wow, what is mother cooking?
He's cooking some carrot soup.
Some carrot soup. Do you like carrot soup? What is Salia doing? I think so she's helping in making some sort of cupcakes or cake or pudding. What can be that?
I think it's gonna be a cake.
Alyan likes to help his mother to clean the dining table. Mother is glad that she does not have to do everything by herself. Wow! So everyone helped the mother.
And there's a
What
cake.
what is Alyan giving to the Susan?
Fried fish.
Fried fish. Okay. And Solia was baking that yummy cake. Alyan and Solia also like to help their mother cleaning up the house. With the children's help, it does not take long to clean the house. Wow, so now they are helping their mother in cleaning the stuff. And that Susan, she is doing some stuff too. What is she pretending to be?
A snail or a dino.
Wow. As Alyan and Solia like to help their mother, mother loves them more and more each day. Wow. So they are happy family now. Do you love the story today?
Yeah.
How much?
So much.
And children, if you like today's story, just like, share and subscribe for more fun stuff. Bye bye. Good night.